send
Can,
the SPA to
can
Candy.
okay, good. I saw it. I saw
Yeah,
it.
so you have it now.
Yes.
So I think that's a very good progress. We can move
Okay.
forward very easily. There is no problem because you know
Okay.
that we have that, Robert Cohen's gold also available in Hong Kong. So it's a very
Okay.
straightforward kind of transaction we can do.
Okay, good. Okay.
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 So I have
Okay.
mentioned a minimum order quantity of 200 metric tons, and
Okay.
we can sell her 1,000 metric tons a month.
Okay, good. Okay.
Same contract, as we were offering to Michael.
Michael,
Remember?
I did not call Michael.
No, but I mean, it's the same kind of a contract we offered Michael. I'm offering the same contract to Candy because, Candy wants to buy large quantities and there is no issue. So, we have got a very standard price. We are selling to Tradeco and all the big buyers at 5% net.
Okay.
Okay. So I've offered the same thing to Candy. It's a straightforward thing because she likes Hong Kong and we have everything is there in Hong Kong to do it,
Okay, good.
The only problem is that, we want to make sure that when we go to Hong Kong, we don't end up in a quarantine,
Okay.
So once the quarantine and all that thing is over, then I think we can meet in Hong Kong. Otherwise, I think everything can be taken care of in Zoom meeting. Okay. The documentation, the POP, everything will be shared. So that way, it can be done, without physical presence in Hong Kong.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Because the bank officers are there, right? They will take care of the transaction and they will follow our instructions and do the job,
Okay. Okay.
Again, we have, Robert Cohen's bank officer and everybody, we know who that person is. And if you work with Robert Cohen and, the 200 metric ton deal, and I think I shared the documents with you, right? So your company can fill the documents out, directly for the 200 metric ton transaction. And we utilize Robert Cohen's, 10,000 metric ton transaction and, just hand this over to Candy. That's it.
Okay, good. Okay.
Very straightforward kind of a situation.
Okay, good. Okay. We will see how this lady Candy will work. We will see it.
No problem. I mean, she's ready. I like Hong Kong. She wants to do it in Hong Kong. They are talking about selling it to Chinese. I'm interested in, establishing the relationship with Chinese government. Okay. Because we want to do a lot of, it's like I think they have made billions of dollars worth of investment in Pakistan. Okay. So if we can work with the Chinese government, then all that transaction can be transformed into our People Pure Gold Coin, PGC.
Okay.
So we will sell bullion and we will do everything in gold. All the transaction which will happen between Pakistan and China, we will do it in gold.
Okay. Doctor, I have 3 questions. First question is about the commission. How will you manage the commission for us, the payments, everything? How will you do that?
It's according to the IMFPA, obviously you are there in the 1.5%, and then whoever else is there from the Candy side, okay, and me. So it's basically me, you, and Candy.
Okay.
Right, and we will form the IMFPA, and we will equally share the commission.
Okay, so do you control this product, this seller? Do you have a control on this seller?
Yeah, I've already shared everything with you, right?
Okay, okay, good.
You have it. You have to just complete the documentation, And now, please make sure that you don't share confidential documents with the buyer.
Okay.
Now, those documents which I share with you are confidential documents, okay?
Okay.
And your company will fill out, the paperwork and documentation and everything. And then we can use your company to do the transaction, right? Or like in our MOU, we have also suggested that if you register SAMS TQ Elmah Global as a foreign direct investment company in France, I don't have any problem in paying taxes to the government. Okay, we will pay them. But if we register as a foreign direct investment company, we will get the tax breaks because, you know, I know the taxes are very high in France. Okay. So we really
Yes,
don't want
yes.
to, we don't want to use your company and pay high taxes. So you have to
Um,
register.
I will see. I will see if I will go to London to open an account.
Mhm.
I will see.
So
I
you
will see.
decide what you want to do, but we are ready. I have an account in HSBC. You will facilitate. You will, you know, your role is in commission. Okay, so you are completing the transaction, and based on the commission, you, me, and Candy are the people involved in this particular transaction. So we will equally share the commission.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
And the
okay.
transaction
So
can happen. Transaction can happen. I don't have any issues. Okay. As long as we have the internal agreement, then we will make sure that someone completes the documentation for Robert. Okay.
okay.
The bridge
Okay.
finance kind of a situation, right? He completes the
Right.
documentation, shows that the money is available, you know, $10 billion, right, in our account, which Candy can put in our account because, you know, it's in her control, okay, as an exit buyer because she has the money, right? Or the Candy's buyer has the money. So they will put that money for this particular transaction in their account in HSBC as our exit buyer. And we will produce that money to show it to Robert Cohen and conclude the, the transaction with him.
Okay.
So that way it can be
Okay.
taken care of. So there is no issue. I can do it. Your company can do it, or, we will use whatever platform we need to do. I think the best way would be that we will use HNT World platform, okay, to do the paperwork because, you know, everything is happening in Hong Kong. So we will conclude that, and in your role with respect to Candies and other gold transaction which you are doing is, you know, you will be obviously, you know, part of the commission.
Okay.
Okay.
So okay. Okay. Good. The the second question is about Koto, about the land project in Ivory Coast.
Right. So our model, let me explain you our model, okay? Our model is, I'm
Yes.
explaining you my Energym University and SANS TQLMA Global so that you get the answer to the question, and then accordingly you can, deal with the landowners, whoever is the landowner, okay? So what we do is the landowner provides the detail of the site. Okay, so here you are talking about 10 hectares in Ivory Coast, right? Abidjan,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
what we will do is we will evaluate the value of the land, the current value, whatever is the value, right? Professional evaluation should happen. That, okay, the land is worth this much in Abidjan today.
Yes.
Okay, so based on that evaluation, we sign a joint venture agreement with the land. For instance, if the land is, say, whatever, how much you are saying, $15 million, right?
I think the price I gave you is very high. So
I'm not interested in what the seller is demanding. What we are interested in doing is this: you get the site location, okay? We will hire the professional people to evaluate the land, similar kind of a land or that particular land, whatever is the exact location of the land. We will evaluate the current value. What is the current price today on 17th July 2020? Okay,
I think
I tell you why. I tell you why.
Yes.
I tell you why. Because say the land was, like $100 million before COVID-19, 1 year ago in Dubai. Okay. Today that land is not worth that much. Today, the land in Dubai is available at maybe 50% of the price. And there's so much land, so many land available. Okay. Yeah, I'm talking about Dubai now. Okay. I'm not talking about Ivory Coast. So idea behind land in Africa is this, that we exactly evaluate what is the value of the land, ideally, we would like to get the land from the government to set up our university campus. Okay, and it's that way we are bringing in the money, right? So the government should give the incentives, right? But now that is a government relationship between us and government. But now privately, we are interested in working with all private investors and landowners. So you get the detail of the land. We will get the, ask the landowner to give me the current professional evaluation of the land. What is the worth of the land today, 17 July 2020? Okay. So once we get that value of the land, then that will be the partnership percentage with the landowner. And then we will do the development. For instance, give you an example. If the land is set $10 million, okay, then suppose we invest, $90 million to develop it. Then the portion of the landowner ownership of the whole project is 10%. Right? So that's a joint venture agreement we signed with the landowner. And we start development.
We have 100 hectares.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
And the price of land is per meter carré.
The price of land is what?
The price is per meter of carré. How do you mean? How would you like say that? Let me check on it. Let me check the real sense, because 1 minute.
Okay, no problem.
The real sense in English, because
in English,
in French we say mètre carré.
Okay, no problem. So I translate it. Let me know what it is.
Yes, 1 minute. Mètre carré, voilà. Well, the square meter, the price is per square meter. Do you know that?
No.
Is a unity for the surface.
Oh, for the surface, okay. So we are talking about meter square, right?
Yes, meter of square, yes.
No problem. Okay. I mean, meter square, whatever the unit is, but the idea is this, that, okay, whatever unit you choose acre, you choose hectare, or you choose meter square, doesn't matter what unit you choose, but based on current value of the land, okay, we will do the joint venture agreement, and then we will invest in developing the land. We are not buying the land.
Okay. I will send you a document. We have 100 hectare. Okay. 100 hectare. It means 100 hectare equal 1 million meter of square.
Yeah, you already told me that. I have the details.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now I want to find out what is the current value of the land and the location of the land. Okay. Because what I want to do is this. I tell you what I want to do. I will build my city campus. Okay, in Abidjan. Right? Because we need a city campus of our university. Sam Zenogime University city campus will be in Abidjan, and then that campus will train all the other people, so they will be working in the farms. Okay, so the land will be used for building the university campus in the center of Abidjan, in the city. That's a project.
Okay.
So it will be the best building of Abidjan, with the quote of 5G proof technology.
Yes, we can build hotel. You can build the nice the home. You can build the city.
No. I mean, I've given you what I'm going building. Okay, I'm building a university campus. Campus. 100 hectare means that it will become a university town, a smart city. Okay, 100 hectares is a lot of land, right? So we can actually build a smart city in Abidjan on this site. All the technology will be there. Okay. So people will not go to Dubai, they will come to Abidjan, to, do the events and do a lot of, conferences and everything. So that will be a fantastic facility, right? Ivory Coast is a very good country, very good climate, very good weather. And, we want to develop Africa.
Yes.
That's a project.
The process is very nice, and we have already the documentation. I will send you the documentation.
Send me the documentation, and then we move forward, okay? And we sign the joint venture agreement with the landowner, and we start the project right away.
Okay.
No need to wait. Okay?
Yes. Okay. So it's good.
Get me the documentation. SAMS, Energyme, University, Agri-Business Park, or Climate Smart University Campus, or University Campus Town, basically, okay? So it's a whole smart town. We will be building on that smart town on this 100 hectares.
Okay.
No issue at all.
Okay. The third question is, how will we work with Masood?
Masood is fine. I think Masood is all okay. Masood we are buying because I have a buyer of the petroleum product now. Okay, I was discussing Masood's progress today with my partner Gillimore, and I've shared the recording of the meeting also. So what we are doing is this: that Gillimore has the buyer for the petroleum products, right?
Okay.
And Masood is a supplier of petroleum product, right?
Yes.
So fine, Masood will accept the payment in gold. Okay. So we buy from Masood. We sell it to the Gillimore's buyer, and we pay him in gold.
Okay.
EGC.
It's very easy.
Right?
Yes, right.
He wants to sell gold. I have the buyer of the petroleum.
Yes.
So it's done.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, good.
So Masood is good. Masood is in control. And I think once we start the petroleum transaction with him, then all the petroleum transaction will happen through gold. Because people will see the benefit. It's a 5%, 10% more profit.
Okay, very good. So how will you manage this transaction?
We already gave him the SPA. He has to sign the SPA, then make an offer of all the products he has available with his procedures. Whatever product he has available today, to sell. Okay. I'm sure he has got a lot of product available because all the petroleum product is lying here and there, It is available free most of the times. They pay you to, clean the vessel and, move it from the vessel. So, petroleum prices are very, very competitive. Okay. So I think it's a good time to buy. And then we are buying the petroleum, we are transforming it into fuel, climate smart fuel, and then we are selling fuel at a much better price.
Yes.
So that is our project.
Yes, very good. So go. So we are waiting Masood.
I'm waiting for Masood to share all the things we have, and I think Guillermo needs probably jet fuel or something. He's going to provide me the details of his buyer. I'm going to share that with Masood, and then Masood has to make an offer. Okay, so you will get the requirement from your partner, your buyer. Yeah, for my Guillermo, will provide me the details of his buyer, the requirement of his buyer. Okay, so we will share that requirement with Masood. Okay, and then Masood will come up with the offer. Okay, will you sign something with Masood? Will you sign the NCNDA IMFPA with Masood? No, we have to do that. You will complete the documentation. Good. No problem. Okay, good. Okay. Because once the process begins in that transaction with Masood, three of us are there. You, me, and Guillemore. Okay. That's it. Okay, good. No problem. So we move forward. No problem. Okay. All right. So get the details of the Ivory Coast land. Okay. And we are moving forward to build our campus over there. Okay. No problem. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Bye-bye.